How's it going, everybody? Tommy T here. Welcome to Carpet and Flooring on the Road, where we do more than just replace your floors. We are located in Southern California, servicing Orange County and Riverside County since 1997. Today, we are in Newport Beach, renovating a 5-unit complex. There's a lot of work to be done on this property, so don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to get updates on our new videos from this project. In today's video, we are hot mopping the upper deck, adding a layer of concrete on the deck and stairways, and laying down terracotta tiles. If you like what you see and need some work done to your home, apartment, or commercial building, please contact us today for a free quote. We look forward to hearing from you. Enjoy. Alright everybody, that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that. And again, if you live in Southern California, specifically Orange County or Riverside County, and need some work done, contact us today for a free quote. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button and notification bell, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.